meghalayapost.news.
Sanmut ki Kyrtong jangka Voice of the People's Party VPP kila Thep Kyrteng mentakasngi banyakun yak election MDC syaki yang darbar thawan ka Khasils Autonomous District Council ke ba kila Thep Kyrteng mentakasngi ka Office Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District ki Kyrtong kila Thep Kyrteng Hakhmat ki Returning Officer ki kentup yuba Mati Umakdo na ka Kyrtong VPP na nongpo ba isane hinch na umroi ap kerman lingdo nonglight na jirang ban rikus nongsteng na umsning bat kenjo lang rangtong na mahoti haba pendep yakani jing Thep Kyrteng lawan sana langru yakiti Kyrtong ke VPP da kinong ilam ba kinong kersian ke parti VPP na kita kisantili constituency.
I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Having been nominated as candidate to fill seat in 5 Ri-Bhoi District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the One Jirang District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God.
I, Shri Kanjolam Rangtong, having been nominated as the candidate to be filled a seat in the Tri Mawati District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance.
Jingkremen hi ya kaban job way bangila mut bani khun angila khun election na pleng jungi boro sangut idan be jingkremen ni kaban job te ka thong ka bangin le ondangila poi sa ka jing job long be ya kai ka ba ki kwa ya ka jing tli hapadeng ke MDC boro bangin pendep ya kai ka thong ka ba ka parti ka adep ya ka jing kular sa ki pajba
kumba philayo sngo nakaway pat kapor sa kaway pat baka thong jongi kumka party VPP Voice of the People Party harangkat bat kini ki sangot pat ki Kyrtong jongka party ngidon kaway kathong bat kata kalong baginora e Jingsynshar ka bej ka Khuid ka hok bat ka bamsha siliang Hakhmat yano yanoro te kathong ka jongi hi kalong ba ka baning kong lada ni poi sa kathong kalong ba inon ra kita Jingsynshar ka khadar ka Khuid bat kumjo ro biya ka ba ini le kat bala ban Khuid ya ka bamsap ha kan Jingsynshar hapo kan ka jala pa kumjo ra ka council hi ro ko
meghalayapost.news.